name is Ange Iradukunda.
In which department?
I'm in Hospitality and Tourism Department.
What's the value you have against in this university?
In this university, actually, I get to learn a lot, and I can say that just I have a lot of skills. And if I get an opportunity to finish, I'm totally sure and confident that just I can help people outside to understand what is hospitality and tourism, especially evaluate and develop in that industries. Thank you.
Yesterday, the Minister of Education signed your document. How do you feel?
Really, it's very good, and I really appreciate it because I will be happy to see my paper get signed also. That's why actually it's a good news for us, and also it's good for our school because it gives a good environment and also a good image to other people outside. Thank you. I would like to invite each and everyone who is listening to this news that just everyone is welcome at Summit University, and also it's a university with a difference, and also they have some teachers who have skills. And I want you guys to learn. I can say that just I'm one of them, and I thank God for studying at this school, and this is very amazing. Just come and see. I hope you're gonna like it.